Hi everybody, Karen here. So today's video is going to be on our online party boot camp. So we are completed. We're almost done. We're 99% done. Now we just have to go out and we have to find our hostesses. So you have had, I believe, 5 homework assignments. And we have went out of order, so most of it hasn't made sense. So that's the reason why I'm making this video, is to tell you how it's going to go and in an order. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over it in video, and then I will put all of the steps into a Word document, and I'll upload it to our group, so you can have kind of like a checklist, okay? So I'm gonna do this step first, this step, this step, this step. But I wanted to go over it because I'm a visual person. So I need it on paper, but I also just need somebody to physically tell me. That's how I learn. So I'm sharing. Okay. So, where's my notes? Okay. So step number 1 is we're going to find our hostesses. Okay. So what's going to happen is on Sunday at 8 o'clock Eastern, we are going to book parties together online. Okay. Obviously we have amazing products, but February is free shipping. Okay. And I think that's awesome. Free shipping. People love free shipping. How many people want to buy one mascara? Or back in the day, this is what I used to get all the time. People wanted to buy the mascara like crazy. And then they would ask how much shipping was, and you would tell them, and they'd go, yeah, it's not worth it. So I'm not going to get it. Still, there's so many people who are just stuck on shipping, and realistically, we have to pay shipping for everything, right? So free shipping can be huge. So what we're going to do is we're going to book a crap load of parties on Sunday together as a team, and it's going to be really, really fun. Okay. So here's what we're going to do. You need to find your hostess. So in homework assignment number 5, you were to create 3 lists, okay? So if you haven't completed all of your homework lists, you have until Sunday to do it. Search in our training page, this page, search homework online party boot camp, and all of the homework assignments will come up. Complete them all. You have until Sunday, okay? So number 1, find your hostess. You're going to create your list. You've got your 3 lists to create that I just posted today. Step number 2, you're going to message them individually, okay? So you've got your lists, then we're going to message them. I've given you an example of blurbs. If you don't want to use them, make them your own. Make your own blurb. I suggest that you make your own blurb now. Copy it to your phone or your computer or whatever. Make a generic one. All you're going to do is you're going to change the name on every single one. And it's going to be easy, so you can literally copy and paste, and it's not going to take you very long to message all of the hostesses, okay? Number 3, when they message you and they say yes, you're going to arrange a date and a time, okay? So remember, we want these parties to be booked in February to take advantage of the free shipping, okay? Okay, next step, 4th step, you're going to create an event. So your hostess has said yes, so you're going to create an event. Remember, all of this information is in every homework assignment, so make sure before you have any questions, go back to the homework assignments, each one, to make sure that the question or the answer is not in there. So you're going to create an event. We're not doing a Facebook group this time. We're trying something different. We're going to do an event. So you're going to create an event. You're going to fill all that out, all that info and everything. Step number 5, you're going to then send your hostess a coaching video. So you have your 1.5 minute tops coaching video. You're going to send that video with your blurb to her via Facebook Messenger, or however you communicate with her. If it's through text, then you send it through text. Whatever works for you, okay? I would recommend Facebook Messenger or text. Step number 6 is when she goes and she invites all of her friends, okay? So you know how to do that. You know how to tell her. That's in the coaching, and that's in your blurb. Step number 7. Step number 7 is your pre-post. So this is your pre-post party script. These posts are already made up. You've already done them. Literally, all you're going to have to do is you're going to go into your pre-party template. you're going to copy and paste for every party because they're all going to be the same, right? So here's the thing. I did 4 pre-posts, and what the pre-posts are is you're going to post one every single day up until the party. So if your party starts in 6 days, if your party is booked for 6 days, in 6 days, then start posting in 2 days. You're going to start posting your one post, so your pre-post. So you're going to post it one on Monday, then on Tuesday, then on Wednesday, then on Thursday, and just say your party is on Friday, okay? That's what you're going to do. If you only have 2 days to enter your party, then change it up. You can do 2 pre-posts a day. I wouldn't do any more than that. I would do 1 in the morning and I would do 1 at night. So there's your 4 posts. Or if you only have 3 days, then only post 3 posts. Choose which ones that you want to post, or one day choose post 2 and the other choose 1, okay? Just, you can figure that out. So those are your pre-posts, okay? Step number 8 is your reminder post before the party. So this is your party day, and you've got two reminder posts. So you're going to post the one, your one pre-post, whatever I said. I have an hour written here, but I can't remember what I said in the homework. I think I changed it. And then 30 minutes before your before your party starts. Okay, so whatever I said in the homework. So the day of the party, before the party starts, you're going to post your 2 pre-posts. And those are, you know, what you're going to need, your comfy clothes, your drinks, all that stuff. And then the second one is just explaining that it's a fast party, blah, blah, blah. So you have those pre-posts already made, copy and post, okay? Okay. I suggest your party time is between 8 and 9 p.m. Whatever works for your guests, then and for yourself, that's what you do. Myself, I'll probably be booking them around 8 o'clock. Usually the dishes are done, the kids are almost in bed or ready for bed. That's usually the time that people usually sit down on the couch and time to relax, okay? But again, work whatever, you know your audience, you know your customers, your friends, your family, who's ever hosting a party for you. Okay. Number 9, step number 9 is, this is your party day. So these are your party posts, okay? So say your party starts at 8 o'clock. These are what you're going to post. You're gonna post 5 posts within 30 minutes. I mean, if you do it in 45 minutes, whatever. I'll probably do between 30 and 45 minutes. I'm gonna tell them the party's gonna be 30 minutes, but it probably is gonna run over, okay? So don't freak out if you're like, oh, how am I gonna fit it all in? First one is your roll call, right? So that's your first template. You're gonna find out who's there. You're gonna announce that you have a door prize to give off. Again, if you don't want to give a door prize, raffle a door prize off, then don't. This is what I'm doing. Part number 2. So part number 2 is your product video. So this is your video that you've done showing them all of the products that you're going to show them, that you're going to talk about, that, you know. I did some research on videos, and I do want to say that this is what I found. I found that it said 90% of people say that watching a video helps them decide whether to make a purchase or not. So 90% of those people that watch a video, that helps them decide if they're going to make the purchase or not. Out of that 94%, 74% of that increases their understanding of their product, of your product. So 74% of that 90, they have a light bulb that goes off and goes, oh, now I get that product, or now I understand how it works through a video. And 64% out of that 90 actually bought something. So out of 90% of people who are watching your video, that helps them decide to make a purchase, 64% bought something out of that 90%. So those numbers are huge. Those are the videos. So that's why I'm suggesting that you absolutely do a video. So for your post number 2, it's got to be a video of you. Keep it fun, keep it short, keep it simple. Part number 3, so your post number 3 is going to be your album. So I've already made an album for myself, and I've decided to share it with all of you. If you don't like something on it, you don't want to show a product on it, then make your own album, take something out. I don't care. That's the album that I'm using, and I'm offering it to you if you want to use it, because I thought it was actually going to take, it wasn't going to take long creating an album, and oh my God, it took me forever. So that's why I'm sharing my album with you if you want to use it, okay? So you know how to upload it prior to, check the homework assignment. It's got all of the steps, how to do that. I did read about sharing an item or sharing an album. Did I bring it? No. Hold on. 3 main reasons why these albums work. Convenience of ordering quickly. Convenience of not having to navigate your website and all of those tabs to go through, and then one-on-one service. So if that doesn't work for you, then go ahead and throw on your website. It doesn't matter to me, but all of those things, I've tried so many different things, and some work, some don't. So I'm trying to put everything together that has worked for me in the past and is still working for me. I'm trying to put all of that into one group now, right? It's like into one party. But if you have a party and it's working for you, then don't change anything. Just keep doing what you're doing. If you're having no success at parties, then change it up. Post number 4 is going to be your post is about getting party hosts. Okay. Again, I have there that I just put, like, for an example, that I was going to give a product credit of $20 or half price item or something like that. You do whatever you want to give away. If you don't want to give away anything, and you just let them know that, you know, they can possibly earn points or Ycash, then that's what you do. That's just something that I'm doing. And if you want to take it as an idea and use it, then go ahead. But whatever works for you in your business is what you are going to do. Okay. The reason why I did the why I did that incentive is because even if they had a party that didn't qualify, I'm still going to give them something to walk away with. So if I give them a 20, if say their party doesn't qualify, I'm still going to give them a $20 product credit. They're going to come back and they're going to spend more money. Probably they're going to spend more than $20. Because they want to take advantage of that $20. So say they bought one mascara, or they bought some other stuff. They still have to spend money out of their pocket, and I'm still going to get PRS and commission from that. Usually when someone has a product credit like that, they come back and they will spend, they'll spend about $50 or so. So to me, that's a win-win for me. Okay, your last post is you're just letting them know that the guests at the party is officially ending, and how they can order and how they can contact you. You already have that template, and then you're going to post a picture saying a fun picture saying thank you, and this is where you're going to announce the winner. How do you announce the winner? You can put everyone's name in a hat, draw it. You can pick it strategically. Whatever works for you is how you're going to pick your winner. Okay, whatever you think is fair, then that's what you're going to do. Think of a way that you're going to do that. Then step number 10 is, once the party is over, you're going to send your already pre-recorded thank you video. I would send that to every customer who purchased from the party. Okay. So every customer that purchased from the party, send that video, and I would send them to them via Facebook Messenger. If you're not friends with that person, then that gives you the opportunity to send them a friend request, and now they are friends with you. And that's it's not the whole purpose, but that is a big purpose of online parties, is making new friends and getting them on your Facebook. Okay, and that's it. And then after that, obviously, is follow-up. And then you use whatever follow-up method that you use. That's how you follow up. So I'm super, 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 super excited, and I can't wait until Sunday. I'm going to send out a webinar link. We're going to do it online together. I'll figure out how we can all talk or how we can all chat or something. So what we're going to do is, I don't know, something like whenever we're going to start it, you know, it's going to go from like 8 to 9, for example, and we're going to message, and every time somebody gets a booking, we're going to track it, and we're going to see how many bookings we can get within 1 hour, all of us together. So it's going to be really, really fun. So if you have any questions, you can comment below, and we'll try and answer them as a team. But please, before you have any questions, because I know there's going to be, please go through all the homework assignments first, reread them, and make sure that your question cannot be answered through all of that. All right? Talk to you soon. Bye.